How to make highlights private on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to make the highlights private on Facebook, first of all launch the Facebook application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile section. So simply scroll down and over here under details, you'll be able to see your highlights. Tap on the highlights option, and as you do that, what you can simply do is you'll be able to simply see different options. So let's tap on the three dotted lines over here. Now select on the option of edit highlight, and here as you can see there's no option over here other than editing the highlight titles. So here at the top left corner you can see the option of highlights are set to public. So tap on this option and you can see there's no option to change it. So we can simply go back and then tap on the settings icon or hamburger icon at the top left corner and simply select on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. So as you tap on settings, you'll be landing on a new page where you can simply scroll down and tap on the option of how simply see on stories. Then here you can see different options. So here you can simply see different options like allow others to share your public stories to their own story or who can see your stories. You can simply tap on it and tap on friends or simply tap on custom, or you can select simple your own person, or here you can simply select on friends accept and so on. So I'm going to tap on custom and you can select anybody, but you can select whichever is more convenient. I'm going to tap on friends and tap on save. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.